If you're looking to buy or sell a condo here in San Diego, there's some things going on with something called critical repairs in the homeowners association. Things have happened like special assessments to cover those, balcony repairs, and how they affect the loan you can get. So it doesn't matter whether you're selling or buying a property, you need to know these workarounds. We've lined up a couple of lenders that have workarounds for these critical repairs within the condo so that they can get funded and you can either buy or sell that condo. If you'd like more information on this or what's going on and the workarounds, call or text me, George Lorimer, 619-846-1244. Again, this is for condos here in San Diego. Thanks.